Here we are. Surprise, we made the mistake of going to another tractor supply store. This one in Fruitport. In for a penny, in for a pound. We were planning on 80 ducks here in another couple months, and well, long story short, Robin, how many are we up to now?
We're up to 59.
Everyone say hi to Katie. Hi, Katie. Alrighty, go ahead, release the hounds of number 2. Come on, Katie.
I know. I was worried about it too.
Oh, you don't want to leave. Oh, let's go back in.
Just dump it and then stack them. They're all out, hon.
Mine are?
Well, there you go. Just dump out the shape. And here we go. What we've got here is roans and pecans. But it's been so cold that they haven't been selling them as normal rate. And since the company likes to operate on a corporate force ship, they had to make room, and we're the benefactors. I cannot wait for this to get going. But here they are.
I've got more ducks.
And for anyone that's watching, we'll call it 60 ducks, but they're in a room right now that's 240 square feet. So they've got, 4 square foot for duckling, and that's really good. So anyway, I thought you guys would all like to enjoy our little insanity today. I promise this is the last video today. This will be the 5th video? We made up for lost time, but spring may not be here in reality, but timing-wise it is, and we've got stuff we got to get done regardless of the weather. But here they are, and they discovered the water. All right. Hey, I want to thank everyone for watching these videos. If you've hit subscribed, I appreciate it. If we can build up the subscriber base and we can start getting ad revenue to start feeding these critters. Hope you all have yourself a great night and stay warm. And if you're ever in the neighborhood of West Michigan, give us a shout out and you come see the craziness for yourself. Bye.